three-way fork in the road, and we tried all the forks and they all seem to go to nowhere.
So all the forks ended up being spoons.
For the people on these buses, especially around this time of morning, it's just another day. Heading off to work or school. We're heading to the Sleeping Giant.
We're at the gas station right now, and the car is running as our driver is filling the tank. Alrighty then.
At this point, we had already given the guy $40 Fijian each, and we're trying to figure out if it's going to be worth it. Well,
So we are hiking in the Koroyanitu National Forest, and it's just outside of Lautoka, Fiji, and it's inside the Abaca village. So we're hiking here now, and look how pretty it is. So tired. We just got started. We're like 10 minutes in.
It's still like part of the village right there, but it's like hot. We didn't really have like a super fulfilling breakfast that like sets you on the right path to.
We had a bun stuffed with whipped cream.
I guess we're supposed to make it up there, so it looks like Jurassic Park. It looks like I'm going to see a dinosaur, like those pterodactyls flying through those mountains. You say you're thirsty?
No. I feel like I'm stepping in diarrhea.
Believe me when I tell you it's hot. Please believe me.
There's water.
He ain't no joke, man.
We still got so much more to go. Another about 45 minutes just to get to the top, and then we gotta go all the way back where we came from, and it's so thick, the brush, that you can't even like see.
Getting a little dizzy, so I need to eat something.
Granola.
when you're doing strenuous activities, your body will let you know if you don't have enough water, and I was dehydrated. But after some granola and water, back at it.
You guys can't tell how big this spider is because it's so far away and he looks so small, but he's easily, it's all stretched out as big as the palm of my hand.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Balls are up here?
Yeah.
How much further?
Maybe 1 kilometer.
Okay, thank you.
A dog. Yeah, it was a dog.
Maybe it's probably a pig.
No, it was a dog. I saw him right in his face. He looked right at me. I don't know, he came like right here and then he just disappeared.
Oh, baby, look.
Well, all right, here we go.
Gio is up there, taking a break.
we reached the crossroads.
That's hot and sticky. A lot of bugs.
Well, what happened was we came to a three-way fork in the road and we tried all the forks and they all seemed to go to nowhere.
All the forks ended up being spoons.
There was 3 forks that went into dead ends, except for the one we came on. So we actually saw some writing on the tree. Actually, I'll show you real quick because it's right here. These guys right here. I don't know if you can see, but the edges are serrated. So we came to here. And it looks like there's a few different paths. Then there's this tree. And it looks like there's writing on it. And this arrow points that way. We could always just like walk it and hope that it just kind of picks up. We have to be able to find our way back. Can't be camping here for the night, so.
Look how pretty it is.
Wow.
It opens up.
Look at this tree.
Look at this. That's how they try to get you. Gio fell.
I wonder how far I would have fell down in there. Hey, if it wasn't for you.
I need to stand somewhere.
Just seeing like the horticulture in this park, because you got like your red clay, you've got pine trees. There's just like, it's so vastly different to have so many different species of plants and bugs living in one place. You got your palm trees, we saw lime trees, wheat is growing. I mean, so many different types of flowers, and we saw peppers and
Squash.
Like, that's so cool.
Back to the village.
I just go and find your driver.
Okay, thank you.
Taking a nap.
How you doing?
How are you?
I'm good.
This is Gio.
Are you?
Hey.
Okay.
Fat. You just picked these from out there.